At Napco, we help architecture, engineering, and construction professionals choose printing solutions built for speed, precision, and long-term reliability. Introducing the HP DesignJet XL 3800, a high-performance, large-format printer engineered for demanding production environments. Designed for fast-paced AEC and GIS workflows, the XL 3800 delivers exceptional output speeds without sacrificing line accuracy or image quality. Powered by HP page-wide technology, it produces crisp technical drawings, detailed plans, and vibrant color graphics with consistent results, even at high volumes. An intuitive touchscreen interface and streamlined workflows make operations simple for busy teams, while advanced security features help protect sensitive project data. Built for reliability, the HP DesignJet XL 3800 is ideal for high-output environments that require dependable performance day after day. Learn more about the HP DesignJet XL 3800 and how Napco supports your printing needs, from installation to service and ongoing supplies.